Hi, this is Rahul from BI Training Hub. In this video, we'll see how to create sets in Tableau. These sets are used to create subset in your data, to extract your data based on some rules, and then you can have all the transformations on the extract data only. So let's connect to Tableau desktop. I'm using Tableau 2020.1 version. We'll connect to Excel file. So let's click on Microsoft Excel and go to My Documents, My Tableau repository, Data Sources folder to connect to Sample Superstore Excel. Once we connect to this Excel, we have Orders tab, People tab and Returns tab. Let's drag Orders tab and place it in this canvas and go to First Worksheet. Now we'll see how to create sets in Tableau. For that, we'll take customer name and sales. So let's create first set with customer name and sales. So we have customer name and sales. We'll sort the graph in descending order of sales. There are 793 customer names. Look at the left bottom corner. We have 793 marks. So there are 793 customer names. Now we want to create first set with top 10 customers by sales. So we'll select first customer name, press shift and select, let's say, 10th customer name. So we have first 10 customers. Now hover on them and next to this group icon, we'll have set icon. So click on this set icon. As this is first element in the set, it will show only create set option. Let's click on create set. I'll name this set as top 10 customers by sales. And we are getting first set with top 10 customers by sales. Now let's click on OK. And in the set section after measures, you'll see this first set created, which is showing top 10 customers by sales. Now let's drag this set and place it in rows. For first 10 customers, it will show in. For others, it will show out. That means first 10 customers are in that set and others are out of that set. So we'll go to next worksheet and we'll drag this set in row. Once we drag it in row, it has two values, in, out. There are few customers in that set, few customers out of that set. To understand which are those customers which are in that set, we'll right click on this set and there is option of show members in set. Click on it, it will show first 10 customers from the list. So we are getting first set with top 10 customers by sales. Let's create another set with top 10 customers by profit. So I'll drag customer name in row, drag customer name in row, drag profit in columns. Let's sort the graph in descending order. Then we'll select first customer name, press shift and select 10th customer name. Click on create set. Now this is not first set in the current workbook. So first option is create set, second is add in the previous set, and third is remove from the previous set. Let's click on create set. We'll name this set as top 10 customers by profit. Let's click on OK. We'll have this another set created. Place it in row. We have first 10 customers in that set and others are out of that set. Now let's go to next worksheet. Drag this top 10 customers by profit in row. Click on show members in set. It will show first 10 customers which are in that set. Now we can get this view by putting filter on customer name also. Then what is the use of having sets in Tableau? So with the set option, we can have further transformations on the existing sets. So we have first set which is showing top 10 by sales, second is top 10 by profit. Now we want to understand if we have any customer which is in common between these two sets. So we'll right click on these two sets. We'll select these two sets, right click, and there is option of create combined set. With this create combined set, it will open this window. So first thing is what name we want to give. We'll name it as common customers. The left set is top 10 by sales, right is top 10 by profit, and there are four operations: A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, and B minus A. So here we'll need A intersection B, which is shared members in both the sets. Click on OK. We have third set created. Drag this third set in row, right click on it, change it to show members in set, and we can see there are 6 customers which are in common between these two sets. So this is third set which is showing intersection of first two sets. Now let's create fourth set to find all the customers which are either in set A or in set B but not in both. To get that view, we do not have direct option. If I select this top 10 by sales and top 10 by profit set, we do not have direct option of creating a set which is showing all customers from either set A or set B, but which are not present in the both. But we can divide this statement in two steps. Let's say we have intersection B, so we'll find A union B, we'll name it as all customers from set A and B, which is A union B. Then we'll click on OK. Now if I drag this all customers and if I click on show members in set, it will show 14 marks because we have top 10 customers in top 10 by sales, top 10 customers in top 10 by profit, and 6 are in common. So it will be 10 plus 10 minus 6, which is 14. Now we want to understand how many of these customers are present in intersection set. So let's select this all customers and common customers and create another combined set. We'll name this set as either in A or in B, where we want members of all customers except common customers, which is last one. It will give list of all the customers which are in all customer set except common customers. That will be all the customers which are in either set A or in set B, but not in both. So let's select this option, drag this either in A or in B in row, and it will show in out. Right click on show members in set, and it will show 8 marks. So if we have top 10 customers in first set, top 10 customers in second set, and A union B is 14, A intersection B is 6, so 14 minus 6 is 8. So there will be 8 customers which are present either in set A or in set B, but not in both. But whatever set we have created right now, they are static. So tomorrow if we change our data, the set will not change automatically. If I go to this top 10 by sales or profit, and if I click on edit set, it won't show me any rule which we have written there. It will just show me top 10 customers which we have selected manually. So if you want to create a dynamic set, you can right click on customer name column, then go to create, and there is option of set. So if you select this set option, it will open this window where we can, let's say, name it as a dynamic set. And we have option of general, condition, and top. So we'll go to this top tab, by field. We want top 10 customers by, let's say, sales. So now it will go give us top 10 customers by sum of sales. Let's click on OK. Now if you bring this set inside row, and if you click on show members in set, it will show top 10 customers by sales. But if I go to this dynamic set and edit this set, it won't show me list of 10 customers which are there in the set. It will show me the top 10 customers by sales rules which we have written. So next time if you modify our data, if you have new customers added in the list, it will find dynamic top 10 values based on the new sales value for customers. That's how you can create dynamic sets in Tableau, which will change dynamically based on your underlying data. So sets are used to do further transformations on the extracted data, and you can use these sets to have further transformations based on whatever rule you want to apply using the set operations like A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, and B minus A. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for more videos.